Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create AI generated posters automatically in CapCut? With the AI poster feature, CapCut can generate creative poster designs from simple text prompts using AI. Let me show you how to use it on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open CapCut on your device. Tap Edit. Next, go to Marketing Tools. Then tap AI Poster. CapCut may ask for permission to access your files or photos. If you see a permission request, tap Allow. Now look for the text box labeled Describe your poster. In this example type, a poster with text classic camera. Then tap Generate. CapCut will now process your prompt using AI. This process may take a little time depending on the design. Once the generation is finished, CapCut will display several AI-generated poster designs. Browse through the generated posters and choose the one you like best. Now, tap Save to store the poster on your device. You can open your gallery app to preview the final AI-generated poster. And that's how to create AI posters in CapCut using the AI poster feature on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.